Alrighty, time to do a little bookkeeping. It's February. We got out of that mission in 5 turns. Got that tallied into sheet 1. Mad Dog gets 3 more XP. That does nothing for him. Doc gets 2. Nothing for him. Sandman gets 1. 30. It's 31. Do. 30 is 1. So Sandman gets a skill. He's going to get 2, 1. Quick reactions. I don't like that. It's not that useful. 9, 7. Plus 1 weapon skill, which is very useful. His weapon skill is going to go up to a 6. Plus 1 weapon skill on February 2. I do that on his paper doll. Weapon skill 6. Oh yeah, Sandman. I like it. Bax gets 1. That's nothing. That's not Bax, that's Boxcars. Boxcars gets 1. Bax gets 1. And Checkmate gets 1. That's nothing. He needs 22. No merit points. We used up all our rerolls. Sheet 2. Big Jim got 1. That gets him a skill. So Big Jim gets a skill. We need a good skill here for you, Big Jim. 4, 3. Plus 1 weapon skill. We'll take it. Plus 1 weapon skill to 1. That brings his weapon skill up to a 5 with his Thompson. Back to the paper dolls. Got a frog in my throat. Weapon skill 5. Good. Still in sheet 2. Killer wasn't with us. He's out. Bucko gets 3. Almost. Cookie gets 2. And Thumper gets 1. So Big Jim sorry. Big Jim and Sandman got a bump on this sheet. We're here. So Sandman got a bump, and Big Jim got a bump. And I just have to fill in the rest of these. I know I'm OCD, but that's what you get. Makes for a nice story in the end. There we are. That's everybody. The whole crew, we're out to February 1. Got one person out yet. It's Killer. Alright, we'll save that. Get that out of the way. This is all done. We're going here. Frontline intense. Gotta roll low. 36, because you gotta add 10. Events. Cheapers. What am I fighting off? 36. Days plus D3 replacements. I get a replacement. How many days? 1 day. Well, this is going to take a while. Daily status. Event. Note. Replacement. Okay, the person that we are missing is my medic again, because Killer goes here. We need a medic in Charlie. I'm going to use R. And gonna need to give him a name. It's gonna be Sean. I'm gonna work on his nickname soon enough. Just gonna put him in as Sean. Okay. We need to do some rolling here. He's gonna have a medic skill. Alright, Sean. Steven said I could use his son. I guess I'll put O'Brien there. Sorry, O'Brien, I don't remember if it's EN or AN off the top of my head. I'll double check and fix it. Okay. We're rolling up new person setup. We'll have to go to sheet 2. Coming in here. Enter. I have to give him his medic skill. Okay. Back here to set up origin D100 11. He's from San Francisco, California. I think his dad was supposed to have been from, no, that was LA. That was Hollywood who got killed. Hard of medics, this one. What letter did I use? I used R. Alrighty. TQ 6. He's a TQ of 4. His weapon skill for his rifle 3, 4, and grenade 5. He's a 4-4-3. Four, 4, 3. Zero XP. Private. Alrighty. 4, 4, 3. There's Sean. We'll get you initiated soon enough. I'm going to have to figure out your birthday. Desktop. CryHavoc. Birthdays. Alrighty. The day is 82, year 3. October, Halloween 22. So he's 23 years old. There we are. We have our medic skill. No experience points. On the Siegfried line toward the end of the war. He's an okay medic. Okay. Frontline status. Still intense. Roll low. 42. Events 42. Illness. Roll a d10. They're not available. Illness. Event. Note. Illness. Who is it? Position 5. How many days? 8 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amos is out for 8 days. Status. Ill. I'm going to put him down. Status. Wounded. 8 days. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days to the 11th. I gotta mark that on his chart. Well, open recent squad roster. Amos from the 3rd to the 11th. Sick. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alrighty. I have to also add in comes in as a medic to replace his dad. He doesn't have anything yet, and he came in on February 2. He's a Charlie. There we go. Save that. Put that out of the way. Alrighty. Down here, frontline status. Intense. Row low. 56. Patrol. All right. Patrol. Patrol number 7. Patrol charts. Siegfried. Oh, we're rolling D100s for patrol on this one. 4. It's a 5 reconnaissance at 1900. I have to fix that. Say 4 instead of 7. It's going to be the same thing. Number 4. Reconnaissance 5, 1900. New patrol. 5. 1900. Nighttime. What are my weather conditions? This is February. A 1. Clear with mud. Alright, clear and muddy. I have to decide who I'm going to take. Back to our chart here. It's only got a 5 TQ. I don't want either of my leaders. They're not that great. I want my scout along. Buck is going. We definitely need to take Sean out. We're going to take everybody but our leaders, and we're going to have Doc leading up this group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Assigned to patrol. Okay, now let's do our DRMs. I've got an 8 and a scout. Do. 8 is +6. And each scout is -2. I got an 8, so that's a -10 plus 6 is a -4. So a DRM is a -1, 2, 3, 4. And we're ready to begin our patrol. I'm going to pull my patrol chart up. And we're on Siegfried. I want the events. Patrols. Patrol events. There we are. I can make this a little smaller so I can see both. Alright. We're ready to go. Going out 5, back 5. It's reconnaissance. 64. Vehicle movement, advance 1. Patrol hears something. Roll a d10. We rolled a 3. Get this down so I can see this. Wheel vehicles. Determines distance and direction, +1 PvP, +1 reroll. Advance. Sheet 1. Increase. Next time. 82. Weather change, advance 1. If currently clear, which it is, we roll a d10. We roll a 0. It goes to rain. Alrighty. Next roll, 34. Steady progress, advance 1. Next time, 40. Steady progress, advance 1. Next roll, 71. Enemy patrol spotted ahead. Try to withdraw. Three, 4 passed. Doesn't say to do anything, so next roll. 76. Where are we? Go around, no progress. Next roll. 53. Steady progress, advance 1. Return to base. Next roll. 5. Something ahead, advance 1. Back 1 zone. You notice, make a TQ. No, TQ, pass. You determine the size of the enemy force. We're going to withdraw. We do. Next roll. 37. Steady progress. Advance 1. 35. Advance 1. 59. Tracks. Advance 1. They are 4. Hobnail. 1 reroll. One roll, 18. Advance 2, gain a PvP. And that puts us home. That gained us 10, 12 victory points. He isn't thrilled. We get a must reroll. All right. One must reroll to burn now. And all these guys get 1 victory, 1 experience point. So everybody except the 2 leaders gets a victory point. I'm going to end this patrol. Not merit. Doc does. Sandman does. Bax does. Boxcars does. Checkmate does. Boxcars does not. He's sick. And Killer does not. Not Big Jim. Sean does. Not Killer. Bucko does. Cookie does. And Thumper does. And Bucko gets a roll. 6 and 9. Dodge. 4 and 5. Luck. Bucko gets luck. And this is February what? 4. All right. Bucko. He's up to 3 lucks. Combat skill 1. Luck 3. So So that's on February 4. Bucko on February 1, 2, 3, 4. Gets his luck. February 5. Intense. Real low. 20. Here. D6, learning the ropes. Make a TQ for each available squad member. Well, how many days is that? 1 day. Time is passing slowly. Event. Notes. Learn ropes. Okay, we pass a TQ for everybody. Get them up here. Okay. Mad Dog's a 5. He rolls a 9. We gain a must reroll. Got 2 of those now. Doc is an 8. 4 passes. He gains an XP. Sandman's a 6. Passes. Gains an XP. Bax is an 8. Another must reroll. Checkmate is a 3. Passes. Checkmate gets a experience point. Big Jim. He's a 4. Passes. Big Jim gets an experience point. Sean O'Brien, 4. Passes. Sean gets an experience point. Killer is out. Bucko is an 8. 5 passes. Bucko gets an experience point. Cookie is a 7. 2 passes. Cookie gets an experience point. Thumper is a 6. 9. We get another must reroll. Those suck. Here we are. Frontline status. Frontline intense. Real low. 61. Another patrol. And this patrol is number 8. Same patrol. Notes. Number 8. S came back. That is Killer. Return to squad. Status. Recover. I'm taking 9 out on patrol. Let's go to our patrol chart. New patrol. Position 5. 1900 again. Weather conditions. Still February. We roll a 6. Heavy rain firm. Alrighty. -8, -10. And we got seven people coming with us. Let me go back to my assigned to patrol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. +6. -4. Patrol events. 46. Steady progress. Advance 1. 11. Something ahead. Advance 1. Roll a 1. We pass. We're going to withdraw. 6. We do. '56. Steady progress. Advance 1. 21. Good progress. Advance 2. PvP. Return to base. 13. Something ahead. Advance 1. 5. We pass. Going to withdraw. We do. Time 41. Steady progress 73. Enemy patrol. Withdraw +1. 0. We have to re-roll that. 0. We got to re-roll that. 5. We withdraw. That takes 2 of our must re-rolls. Another time. 3. Advance 1. Try to spot them. Got to re-roll that. We do spot. That gets put on one more of our must re-rolls. We want to withdraw and do. '54. steady progress. And 86. Minefield. Advance 1. Patrol wanders into a minefield. Select one patrol character, TQ. It is nighttime. +1 modifier. Random position. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cookie. 4, 5. Cookie passes. Minefield identified. We get a reroll into PvP. He goes home, and we get a reroll. Alright. 3 rerolls, 1 must reroll. And Doc gets an XP. Well, let's see here. We're going to get another reroll. He's not happy with us yet. Okay, Doc gets an XP. Sandman gets an XP. Bax gets an XP. Amos is sick. Checkmate gets an XP. That's a roll. 6 and 8. +1 TQ. Checkmate. TQ goes to 4. And let's see here. Checkmate. +1 TQ. February. What is this? The 4th? Sixth. Give Checkmate his TQ here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. Sean O'Brien goes up an experience point. Killer's back. Bucko. Cookie. Thumper. And Patrol. Alright. Frontline status intense. Roll low 36. D3 replacements. Don't need them. D3. 3 days. No event. Event. No replacements. Intense. 75. A mission. 6 days. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Intense. No event. No event. Mission. This guy is back. Killer's back in time on the 15th, and our mission number is 74. All right, mission. Siegfried. A firefight on the hill. No bocage. It is daytime. There's no weather listed, so we'll roll for it. No recon, only 2. No medics. It's low quality, not elite, with machine guns, medium size. Alert, prepared. They're not dug in. So it's machine guns, not dug in, medium size, low quality. That's not too threatening. It's daytime. We'll roll for weather. Firefight on the hill next time. Firefight 1. Those are more fun. I'll see you for that later.